Hey pet lovers, got a dog who refuses to go into the basement? Here's a story that'll give you chills. So there's this dog, right? Absolutely refuses to enter the basement. One day his owner gets curious. What's in the basement that's so scary? Turns out, there's an old locked trunk down there. And here's the kicker, it's whispering. Yeah, you heard me, whispering. The dog's practically guarding the basement door. Why? Because that trunk's got a secret. It's holding a malevolent spirit trapped inside. Yep, this pup's not just man's best friend, but he's a supernatural bodyguard. So next time your dog acts weird, you might want to listen. Who knows what they're protecting you from? Stay curious, pet lovers, and give your brave doggo an extra treat today.